Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung EVO Plus 64GB microSDXC card plus SD adapter for microSD card. As you can see over here, this is basically not a unboxing, rather than unpacking. You can see what the SDXC card looks like. This is the card right over here, and this is the adapter for when you want to switch to a larger port. And you have some information. It said read speed is 100 megabytes per second, write speed is 20 megabytes per second. And do we have anything more? It is waterproof, it's magnet proof, it's temperature proof, it's also X-ray proof. It comes with 10 years of limited warranty, and it's also authenticated. It can be authenticated. This is good for smartphones, tablets, digital cameras, drones, and also action cameras. Let me just open this and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what the EVO Plus microSDXC card looks like. This is a UHS-I card, ultra high speed card. It has 64 GBs of memory in it. It's very tiny. This is basically a micro SD card. You know how they're basically this small. And you also have an adapter for the same. This is for when you suppose you want to retrieve or put data into it, but you don't have the port required. But the laptop that you're using or the PC that you're using has a port for a bigger micro SD card, so you just insert this over here and now you're good to go. This basically acts as an adapter. Just take it out. Taking out is also pretty easy actually. You just have to be a little careful. There's a groove over here, just you pull with that groove. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the pack containing the Samsung EVO Plus 64GB microSDXC UHS-I card plus micro SD adapter. Thank you for watching.